Welcome back, my fellow aggressive learners. If you have gotten to this point, I want to say congratulations. You have made it and you are so unstoppable. Soon you'll be flying with your wings and you'll be doing amazingly well. So, now let's add something more beautiful that will make our page more beautiful so that we'll be able to demonstrate some things we learned initially. Now, let's add a page and let's call that page resource page. Resource resource.html. Now, why .html? Why are we saying it's resource page? This is where you're going to find books and videos and all that, all right, belonging to this auntie, all right. So now this page, we don't need to stress ourselves. It's actually very simple. So what do? Go and copy everything inside here, inside this index page. Put it inside resource page. That's all. So what don't you need? I don't need this table. I don't need this table. That's the only thing I don't need. And I don't need this hero section. In fact, I don't need what is inside the hero section rather. Good. You understand, right? I don't need what is inside the hero section. So this one, you can call it resource page. Now, you do me a favor of going to all the header or navigation bar and add what? Resource, resource, resource. So you have to do me a favor of doing that on all the pages. Is that okay? So I'm going to go here. I believe it should be done. Doing me a favor of doing it in all the pages. Good. Index. Poem. So this should be, so you now have what? A resource page. So nothing is on the resource page. What do we want to place there? We want to place, want when somebody click on the index page, on this page, right? It should bring the person to some of the video. It will send you to that folder, so you'll be able to see the book, that specific book. You'll be able to meet that specific content. You see videos and all that. So because we're going to do close all these, right? Briefly close all these and then close this. So inside here, minimize this. So I want to have a video, right? I want to have a video here. Remember we did video, SRC. Now we don't have a video. What do? Let's go and copy this video, right? And drop it inside here. No, we want to copy. Cancel. We want to copy. We don't want to cut. We want to copy. We don't want to cut. So we want to paste. So we have a copy of this video inside here. So now we can go ahead and do video chants. All right. So let's assume that this is one of us, the Adana's spoken word. All right. So and that spoken word, if you go to let's go to index page. Okay, no, before we go there, please. Before we go there, let's sort out the type type equal video mp4, and then don't forget, remember we talked something about controls. So and then we are doing this on resource. Don't forget, we're doing this on resource. All right. Now, what else can we do inside there? Remember, I told you there's what we can do, source and all that. So I decided to define this whole thing attribute inside the first tag. I think that's, let me get you to pick that information. It's very, very important. You can also do this. Don't forget, you can do source and all that. Remember, you can do that and also define, carry all these things, all these ones, and put inside here. Yes, you can still do it. It will still work. And don't forget that you can define your width. You can still leave it the way it is. Define your width, call it 400, and then I think that's okay. Call it 400, right? And then on top of it, give it a title H1, right? And then you come here. Where is that index page? Remember you gave some, sorry please, index page. Remember you have some names here. Remember you have some names here. So I'm going to carry the name the way it is. Deceived by Nigeria. Alright, and then you want to put it here, right? Or you want to put it here. You want to put it just beneath the video. Alright, just beneath the video. Or and probably you want to change this to H4. Eh? You get the point, right? You get the point, right? Good, good. Now this is her spoken word video. Now the next thing we want to do is that we want to do target that ID stuff that we did. We want to do so that somebody click from index page to bring this person to exactly this spot. We want to do ID video spoken word. All right, now spoken word. Now from index page, how are we going to access? Remember we have this, so that means it's going to be first of all it's going to be index. Excuse me please, we're on index page. It's going to be about.html slash hashtag spoken word. Yes, I hope this does not confuse you. I hope you get it. Now, let's go and try this from the index page and see if it will bring us to this page, right? So I'm going to click on this. Voila, I think by my mistake. Yeah, we made mistake. So this is supposed to be, we are looking for resource, not HTML. We are looking for resource slash hashtag. If you go to resource, look for hashtag spoken word. Look for hashtag spoken word. So we might want to navigate back, and then we want to refresh our page. Of course, it's refresh. So hit this. We still made that mistake again, right? Okay, sorry. I think this should rather be remove this slash button. Yeah, so we got it. So let's try it now. It should work. It should work. So go ahead and click on this. Yeah, so something like this. So let's assume you have more of this, right? So let's put let's put let's put let's put a book. All right, so that book will have an image cover. So src image. So let's look for a book cover. All right, online book cover. Let's download the book cover, and then okay, I think I like this. I like this. I like this. So I'm gonna say now let's download the image. It's JPEG. So I'm gonna carry this image and put it inside our image folder. All right, and I'm gonna call it book JPEG. So I'm gonna close, and then inside this place we're gonna have images slash book alternative name. What should be the name? Go to index. What is the name of the second file? Who destroyed Nigeria? That is the name of the book. So go ahead and paste his alternative name. So this image now should this image now we're going to use it to download a book. All right, we're going to use it to download a book, and we're going to look for a book and put here. All right, let me look for one PDF. But first of all, let's demonstrate this image and see what happens. Let's do our so we have a book here. We can actually give it a width of 400 still. Beautiful. So they are on the same page now. Now we can give it a title. A title. Remember, a title of this, and a title. Remember, we can do be strong, and then we're good to go. Sorry, and do H4. So the same thing, and then we want to call this book. And then I want we want when somebody click this, the person should be able to uh, download a book. So let me quickly show you that briefly. When somebody click this, the person should be able to download a book. So let me look for one book inside my work here. Let me look for a book. Let me look for one PDF. One PDF. This is someone's document. Okay, let me use this. Where is that stuff? Document that. Let me just use this, right? Let me look for a P. Let me convert. Okay, I don't need to convert anything. Just the way it is, right? So I'm gonna copy it, right, and put it inside. Let me create a folder. Let me create a folder again and call it book. And call it book, right? Sorry, I'm introducing you to a couple of new things, right? Good. I think you should get used to that. So now let's go ahead. That means we can actually copy everything here and create an anchor tag. All right. Inside the anchor tag, we can then go ahead and paste all what we copied. Right. Paste it. Now, what do we want to do? We want to download book. We want to download book, and we want this downloaded. But we want it to open. We don't want it to open in the same page. We want it to open in a new page. So we're gonna do target blank page. So it's going to open in a new page. Remember, we treated this target blank page, so it's going to open in a new page, right? So good. It doesn't matter what you click on this page, it's going to open and it's going to download this file for you. Boom. We're good, right? Yes, that's it. Thank you very much. So, on this note, I want to say thank you for being part of this HTML project, and I hope you really did enjoy it. And hopefully, we should meet in CSS class. And I know you have not given up. Thank you. Please go and like my YouTube page That way you'll be helping me and we could be doing more projects together, and you will see more of my video and we'll be of help, we'll be in contact with each other. Thank you very much and God bless you.